What's up guys? We've got 60 seconds. Let's talk lighting. So your main light, also called your key light, is your most intense light in a scene. It can be the sun, it can be an LED, or it can be a window. Either way, this is a single light setup. And you can play around with this single light setup. You can put it in front of them, you can put it behind them, or you can put it down low, make them look really scary, or you can put it up top. Either way, you just change the mood of your scene. You can add another light in here and make it a little less intense. Now you have a field light, and proper math makes this a 2 lighting setup. It's called a field because you're filling in the shadowy part of the face, and if you don't have another light, you can just bounce it. So you see that? Use a poster board or a reflector. Either way, they both work. Position that behind the subject, and now you have a backlight or a hair light. I don't have any hair, so we're just gonna call it a backlight. It's good for separation, so let's put another light in there, and now we have a 3-point lighting setup. That looks pretty good, but it looked much better if we popped out that background just a little bit with one more light. Now we have 4 lights. That was 10 different setups in 60 seconds. At least I think it was 10. Maybe you can go back and count them out for me and see if my math is right. But I'll see you guys next video. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. Peace.